Hello, lovely friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I share with you Ghanaian assorted smoked fish light soup. It is so simple and easy to make. Let's get right into it. To our pot, I'll add in onions, habanero pepper, fresh tomatoes, turkey berries, garden eggs. I'll add water, cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes or until it is tender. I went ahead to oven broil my assorted fish at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. I have mackerel, bronzene, and red snapper. You can use any fish of choice. At this point, I'll check on my vegetables. If it is tender, I'll remove it from flame, allow it to cool down before blending. To my soup pot, I'll add in my smoked catfish, dry herring, salted tilapia or koobi, and then I'll add in my AIDEN fruit. I'll add in chopped onions and 6 ounces of tomato paste. I'll add a bit of water, cover it, and allow it to steam for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Vegetables has cooled down, so I'll put everything in a blender. I'll add in some fresh ginger and fresh garlic, and then I'll blend until it is very smooth. We'll be straining our blended vegetables into the soup. With the help of a strainer, I'll pour my blended vegetables and then I'll add a bit of water to make it easy. And then I'm using a silicone spoon to easily strain the vegetables into the soup. So I'll repeat this process until everything is very well strained in. Now that we are all done straining the vegetables into the soup, I'll give it a gentle stir to prevent the fish from breaking apart. I'll add a bit more water and I'll allow the soup to boil for about 15 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for your massive support. I love you so much. Soup has boiled for 15 minutes. I'll now add in my king oyster mushrooms and snails. You can definitely omit this, but I love snails and mushrooms in this type of soup. And then I'll add in my smoked fish. I'll stir everything in. I'll add in my star cube and then I'll allow the soup to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes of the soup boiling, I tasted for salt and then I added in a teaspoon of salt. This is all assorted fish. It doesn't have any meat or salted meat inside, so you might want to check for your salt and always adjust your salt to your taste. And then I allowed the soup to boil for 10 more minutes. And guys, this soup was so delicious and super spicy. I didn't even need to add any more habanero peppers for garnishing. The 4 habanero peppers that I added into this soup, guys, made it so spicy. Yes, even the kids were complaining. They said, "Mommy, the soup is too spicy." But you know, anything fish, you want it to be a bit more spicy. This is how the soup turned out. It was so good and just the way I wanted it. You know, sometimes when you crave for something, make it, cook it. Yeah, and enjoy it. That is what life is all about, okay? Eat what you love. I enjoyed it with fufu, of course, but you can as well enjoy it with rice or any starch of choice. Thank you guys so much for staying with me until this time. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You share with your friends and then you comment. Your comment means a lot to me. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.